Still in St. Thomas, residents in some communities say their taps have been dry for years and they are demanding action. At the Month Municipal Corporation meeting, a community advocate painted a troubling picture of daily life without reliable water. In the communities of Bath and Ginger Hill in St. Thomas, the simple act of turning on a pipe has become an exercise in frustration. Residents say for years water has been inconsistent or absent altogether. And according to the St. Thomas Parish Development Committee, the responsibility for distribution in these communities falls under the Municipal Corporation, not the National Water Commission. Speaking at the latest corporation meeting, committee member Pansy Murphy made an emotional appeal.
I have a 90-year-old mother who is living in Ginger Hall, and over the years, these persons are suffering with water. I remember in my days when I was growing up, we know when the water was going to lock down. But then you shall come down and bicycle with the bells and ring them, right? No, nobody knows when the water is locked up.
Mrs. Murphy says the situation has worsened, noting that the community of Bath no longer receives water from the Bath fountain area.
Bath does not get water from the Bath fountain area, all of Bath. I'm asking the councillor for the Bath Division along with the municipal to address the people of the Bath, Ginger Hall area.
The Municipal Corporation has not yet indicated when the water issues affecting Bath and Ginger Hill will be resolved.